Good afternoon. I am Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, OpenAI acquires a Rockset to enhance enterprise AI capabilities. X to restrict a live streaming to premium subscribers. Infinix Note 40 5G launched in India with 6.78-inch AMOLED display and 108 megapixel camera. Google paused its expansion of real money gaming apps on Play Store. India AI mission building a comprehensive AI ecosystem. Evaluation of Starlink and project a Kuiper's landing right in India. Amazon considered charging $5 to $10 monthly for enhanced Alexa services and AI revamp. OpenAI has acquired a Rockset, a company specializing in a real-time search and data analytics tool. Financial terms of the acquisition were not disclosed. A Rockset technology will be integrated into OpenAI infrastructure across its products. Rockset exciting customers will transition off the platform gradually, and its team will join OpenAI. Rockset infrastructure will transform data into actionable intelligence, will enhance OpenAI capabilities. OpenAI CEO, Brad Lightcap, highlighted the excitement about bringing these benefits to OpenAI customers. Rockset was founded in 2016 by ex-Facebook engineer and had raised over $117.5 million from investors. Its tools enable companies to ingest data from database and cloud storage, indexing it for search and analytics, benefiting applications like recommendation engines and chatbots. X, or formerly Twitter, will soon limit the ability to live stream to premium subscriber only. Free users will no longer be able to live stream on the platform, including via encoder platform integrated with X. The X premium subscription costs $8 per month and $84 per year. Subscribers gain access to features such as a blue check mark, larger post create subscription, and fewer ads. This move aligns with Elon Musk's strategy to increase the platform's revenue. Earlier, Musk suggested a small fee for new users to post on X to combat spam and the bots, allowing now paying users only to follow accounts and read posts. Infinix has launched the Infinix Note 40 5G in India, featuring a full HD plus AMOLED display and 108 megapixel camera. The phone priced at Rs 19,999 for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, a variant, but can be purchased at an effective price at Rs 17,999 with a 2,000 bank offer. Infinix is offering a MagPad Watt 2000 during the initial sale. The Note 40 will be available in an obsidian, black and a Titan gold color. Flipkart starting June 26. The phone boasts a 6.78-inch, a full HD plus flexible AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits peak brightness. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 processor and paired with the IMG BXM 8256 GPU for graphics. The device includes up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, expandable up to 1TB via micro SD card. It runs to Infinix XOS 14 based on Android 14 with promises of 2 years of Android updates or 3 years of security patches. Google has paused experiment to expand real money gaming apps on its Play Store in countries without a central licensing framework. Initially planned for India, Mexico, and Brazil, that expand RMG support was set to start on July 1. Google cited difficulties in expanding RMG support in these markets and need for additional time to ensure developer and user safety. The company remains committed to helping developers to build new business responsibly and reaching wider audience. In India, the grace period for the exciting pilot programs, which include a daily fantasy support and the Rummy apps, has been extended identically. The pilot program initially ended on September 28, 2023, but apps can remain on Google Play until further notice. The India AI mission aims to foster AI innovation and democratize computing access, enhancing data quality and developing ingenious AI capabilities. The mission focuses on attracting a top AI talent, enabling industrial collaboration, providing startup risk capital, and promoting ethical AI. India AI compute capacity, creating a scalable AI computing ecosystem with over 10,000 GPUs through public-private partnership. India AI Innovation Center developing and deploying its genius large multimodals and a domain-specific models in a critical sector. India AI Dataset platform streaming access to high quality and a non-personal dataset for AI innovation. India AI Application Development Initiative promoting AI application in a critical sectors in a potential for a large scale and socio-economic and the transformation India AI future skill. Increasing AI courses at undergraduate, masters and PhD levels and establishing data AI labs in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. India's space regulator IN-SPACe is evaluating the application of Elon Musk, Starlink and the Amazon project Kuiper for landing rights in India. Landing rights refer to the approval to stream a satellite internet signals into the country. Starlink and the project Kuiper need to separate approvals from telecommunication and space regulators to start their services in India. This includes a GMPCS, a global mobile personal communication by satellite services, license and the spectrum allocation for the government. IN-SPACe, a chairperson Pawan Gonka confirmed that the applications are under process. While Starlink is a global leader in satellite internet, it faces a competition in India from the Airtel Bharti Group and the Reliance Jio, both of which already have request approvals. Amazon is contemplating introducing a monthly fee of $5 to $10 for a new enhanced version of its Alexa services. This fee would grant access to a superior version of Alexa, featuring advanced conversational generative AI capabilities. The project, internally known as a Banyan, represents the first significant overhaul of Alexa since 2014, launched alongside Echo speakers. The new version, dubbed a Remarkable Alexa, aims to revitalize the voice assistant with more intelligent and capable feature. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy and personally invested in the success of the project, pushing for a revamped version of Alexa by August. In his April letter to a shareholder, Jassy hinted a more advanced Alexa, emphasizing enhanced intelligence and capabilities without revealing specifics. As we wrap up today's tech journey, this is Rini Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your all tech updates.